Welcome to our CARPRO Decontamination tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the complete decontamination process to prepare your vehicle's surface for the best possible finish. We begin with a thorough wash using CARPRO Reset or Descale. CARPRO Descale is a powerful low pH shampoo, ideal for tackling mineral deposits, water spots, and even old wax layers, giving your vehicle a deeper clean without harming coatings. And CARPRO Reset is a pH-neutral shampoo that safely cleans and rejuvenates coated vehicles, leaving no residue and preserving that glossy finish. This step removes surface dirt and previous waxes, setting the foundation for decontamination. Next, we move to tar removal with CARPRO TarX. TarX effectively breaks down stubborn tar spots and adhesives. Let it dwell for a few minutes to dissolve contaminants. After allowing CARPRO TarX to dissolve the tar contaminants, use a damp microfiber towel to gently wipe down the treated areas. This ensures all loosened tar is safely removed without scratching the surface. Once the tar has been removed, rinse the vehicle thoroughly to remove any remaining residue. Now, we target iron particles with CARPRO IronX. This solution changes color as it reacts with iron deposits, making it easy to see contaminants being dissolved. After the IronX has done its job, rinse thoroughly to prepare for the final step of decontamination. For the final step, we use CARPRO Polyshave or a traditional clay bar to remove any remaining bonded contaminants. To ensure smooth gliding and avoid marring, we use CARPRO Clay Lube or a diluted shampoo mixture as lubrication. This step ensures the surface is completely smooth and prepped for coating. And that's it. Your vehicle is now fully decontaminated and ready for the next steps, whether that's polishing, sealing, or coating. Thank you for watching, and remember, CARPRO products are here to help you achieve the ultimate finish.